how mutual funds or asset managers make money. It's going to be a basis point of the assets that they are managing. So here's an example. We have year-to-date revenue through August, and we want to project out the entire year, the rest of the year, September, October, November, and December. And we also know that we've got some new business wins. We have some assets that are going to come in September, and we have some assets that are going to come in October. So we want to factor that into our revenue. I'm going to take the philosophical stance here on my revenue projection that I'm going to use August and run that forward for the rest of the year. I'm not going to project, or I'm not going to try to predict what the market is going to do, whether it's going up, whether it's going to go down. I'm just going to assume August is going to run forward, but then I'm going to layer in my new business wins, my new flows that I'm expecting to come in September and October to my assets under management. And then I'm going to multiply each month by my average basis point fee, whether I'm running that, whether I have separately managed accounts that I'm charging at an account level, or I'm running a mutual fund, and that's my management fee that I'm charging for managing the mutual fund. We now have all our assumptions layered in on our revenue projection. And on a year-to-date basis on this projection, I have 279 million of assets under management, and I have an average basis point fee of 35 basis points, whether that is at the account level or I'm charging a management fee on an entire mutual fund. So 279 million of assets times 35 basis points, I'm ending up with approximately $977,000 of revenue for the year. That's how you can project revenue for assets under management. And you can use this example anytime you're deriving revenue from another source. This is assets under management. You can do this for insurance premiums, whatever the source might be, times whatever fee you're charging.